Okay, so I want to walk you through educare for business HR. So our HR module has all the components you need from recruitment to offboarding. So we have the admin where you can access every single thing about admin. We have the recruitment module. We have the personal information management. We have the training. We have the performance management, appraisals, and all. We have the leave management. We have discipline. We have the access control, staff attendance, and we have the documents, business documents. So, coming from the admin bit, you can be able to do quite a number of things here. One is that you should be able to do all your configurations. This is the organogram. This way you can set up your organogram. You can choose any of the templates that you want. You can choose any of the templates that you feel that is the best for your organization. You can resize it a bit. You can make it a little less. So here is where you can do set up your jobs, set up the salary components, all types of salary components for your organization. This is where you can set it up. Here you can set up all your salary components here. You can delete, you can edit. So basic salary, leave allowance, and all the taxes and all. From here, you can also do your job categories, set up different job categories for your organization here. So by the time you set up your job categories here, all the list of the jobs, executive, marketing department, utility, and all, you can keep adding more job categories. Here, you can also do your pay grades. You can also set up your pay grades as well. Then aside from that, you can do your work shift, can set up job titles, working tools when you employ someone, all the working tools and all the components they need. Employment status, this is where you can do the configuration. Here you can do the organizational structure. You set up the competency lists and qualifications, and then set up access controls for who you want to do some certain things in terms of HR operations. So that is what it does at a glance. Then if you come to personnel information management, you can see your staff list. From your staff list, you can be able to see other things here like personal details. You can edit profile pictures, contact details, emergency contacts, dependents, career path. You can add as much as you want, salary with pay slips here. You can see the salary breakdown and all. Then you can see the pay slips. Here you can see all the pay slips. Reporting to, you can see the qualifications. You can add work experience, education, licenses, skills, and all the work experience languages. You can add them here. Membership, bank account details, confirmation, exit, transfer and deployment, then disengagement process. You can initiate it here. So aside from that as well, you can do some other configuration for some of the things. Every single thing here is fully customizable. You can see the staff info, applying for leave, setting up for leave and all, leave type, see the casual leave, annual leave, maternity leave. You can set up all the dates, and if you are not entitled, you can't apply. So all those things you can see it here. Assigning leave, configuring the setup period, work week, holidays and all. You can do them here. The training. So here you can set up all your training. You can even we did it in such a way that you can even set up the online training courses. So here you can be able to set up online training courses. Let's say I want you to be able to organize a course. This is just like a simple course. I can say, okay, a course on safeguarding. I can organize different courses for my staff as they're coming in, joining X company. They can watch the video here. You can see that from here they can move to the next one. They can move to the next one. So you can go through courses and they can even write exam to confirm that they took the courses properly. So aside from that, we also have every single part of training, physical training, spirit trainings, everything is here. So we also have the performance management. This is where we have the performance appraisals. For instance, these are appraisals. I can click on this. You can have multiple people appraising someone. You can develop all your appraisal components here. And as they are making the appraisals and adding the points, everything is here. At the end of the day, you can see the points, you can see the final remark. So you can have multiple people appraising a single person here. We have it in the system. Then aside from that, we have appraisal configuration, the competency map setups and all. Then we have the discipline. If there are disciplinary cases, this is where you handle it. You can see the cases available. You can take action. You can look at it, manage action. This is where you can manage the actions to close the case on or even investigate a little bit more. So we have every single thing here. Then we have all my actions and all. Then the access control, this is where they clock in and clock out. And you can see the log based on different job roles. You can see their log when they are meant to come in, when they are meant to go. Recruitment, this is where you set up your vacancies. And the good thing is that you can set up your vacancies in a chronological manner so that it will be a lot easier for people to see every single thing here. So from here, for instance, I click on this link. This link will take you to where you can. So from this link, now you can put it on your website. You can share on WhatsApp, on LinkedIn, on every other medium. So all the job openings in your organization will be here. People can apply, and once they're applying, everything will be well arranged here. Then if I click on this, I can see everybody that have applied. I can see them here. I can move them to the next stage. I can move them to next stage, application, online test, shortlisting, hired and rejected. And we have custom email templates that you can use to be able to proceed through this. So all the configuration, setting up your question pool and every single thing, resume settings, you can set it up here. Aside from that, documents, this is where you can upload different documents. Some personal documents that you want to reference, you can upload them here. Word documents, you can upload them. Mail templates, you can send them up here. So aside from that, also we have the salary bit. So if you want to pay your salary, generating payroll is very, very easy here. Here you can generate your payroll, and then for a month you can just generate it and you can process. Once you process, this is real money. People can now get their money in their bank accounts. It's just as easy as seamless as it is. You can also do your bonus and reduction. You can add all those things here. And the good thing is that when you pay your salary, it also forms part of your income statement here. So these are the things that we have an educare HRM. So if you feel free, all the custom everything here is highly customizable. Thank you so much, and I hope you have I'm gonna have a good experience using educare HR.